Joint Cap is marketed as a joint health supplement that supposedly reduces pain, improves mobility, and supports cartilage repair. But a real question is, does it actually provide relief, or is it another supplement making exaggerated promises? Now, to be fair, joint supplements are one of the most widely used wellness categories, and some ingredients commonly found in these products do have limited research supporting mild benefits for certain people with joint discomfort. What it does well: contains commonly used joint support ingredients. Supplements like Joint Cap often include glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, collagen, turmeric, or boswellia, all ingredients linked to joint comfort and inflammation support in some studies. May provide mild relief for some users. Some people report reduced stiffness or slightly improved mobility after taking joint supplements consistently for several weeks. Where it falls short: not a guaranteed pain solution. This is the biggest issue. Joint supplements work very differently between individuals, and many users notice little or no meaningful improvement. No strong proof of cartilage regeneration. Marketing often implies cartilage rebuilding or major joint repair, but most supplements do not have strong clinical evidence proving they can regenerate damaged joints. Relief is usually modest, not dramatic. Even studies showing benefits for glucosamine or similar ingredients generally describe mild symptom improvement rather than major pain elimination. So, does Joint Cap actually provide relief? Short answer: possibly mild relief for some people, but not miracle-level results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.